Hey guys, this site from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Samsung Galaxy J8, or I would say J8 Infinity. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see how to do hard reset. So let's begin with that. So basically hard reset is sort of factory data reset, but it has been done using stock recovery mode. So again, the same thing, you have to take a backup of this particular phone, be it keep it in, I would say, an SD card, maybe PC or laptop, whatsoever you feel you want to keep it. So at this moment, I am assuming that you have already taken a backup of everything. So the data in SD card will not be erased, so don't worry about that. But everything in your phone will be deleted, which is in internal storage. So for this particular part or hard reset process, you have to first turn off your phone. So just press on power button, power off, and power off your phone. Afterward, just wait for 4 to 5 seconds more so that all the components behind this particular phone will be successfully shut down or powered off. Afterward, just press on power button and volume up key at the same time until unless a phone will show you like this, and just release both the keys. Afterward, within next 5 to 6 seconds, you will be booted to the stock recovery mode. So this is a stock recovery mode. Here you will see the text as little bit smaller, so you have to bear with me. The basic thing is that this is a text based, so you can't use touch here. So to shuffle between these options, you have to either use volume down or volume up button. And if you have to select something, you have to press on power button. So like we have to use hard reset, so we have to choose fifth option from the bottom. This is second, third, fourth and fifth. That is wipe data and factory reset. So basically there is a catch with this particular option. Like whenever you have to do hard reset, you should be aware about your associated Gmail account on this particular phone, or either you should remember about the PIN or password whatsoever you have kept it here, because it will be needed once you will be setting up your phone. So I'm assuming that you are already aware about the associated Google account on this device, and aside to that PIN and password which you have set on this particular device. If your device is not having any Google account and you haven't set up any PIN, then it will not be needed. But if it has been, then it will be needed at most. So as at my side, I know that which account is associated with this particular device. Even I have set pin and pattern, so I'll be showing you that. So I am pretty confirmed. That's why I'm doing hard reset. I'm just pressing it here. So now it is prompting wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. So again, as I've told you earlier, that you have to take backup because everything will be wiped or deleted and nothing will be recoverable. So if you are sure, then just press volume down button and select factory data reset. If you're not sure, then I'll urge you that just select cancel and again press power button, and it will move to the back option. So at our side, we will be selecting factory data reset, and I'll be going to press power button. In the bottom, you will see formatting data, data wipe complete, and so on. So basically, hard reset is done basically, which is equivalent to factory data reset in stock recovery. So now we are good to go with the reboot system. So basically now data erase process has been completed, data encryption will be doing. So for next 5 to 7 minutes, Samsung will be doing some background tasks to set up our phone, and afterward it will initiate the installing application section, and afterward it will move to the phone setup process. So let's wait till the time we reach that particular stage. So finally the installing application setup or wizard has been started, and now it will move to the phone setup process, and in that we'll do the phone setup process, and I'll show you why we will be needing that Gmail account or PIN or password and so on. So let's wait till the time we'll move to the next section. So finally the phone setup process has been started. Let me tap on let's go. Now I'll be just selecting the very minimal set of permissions to proceed further. So now it has prompted that an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory default settings. Connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile network to verify your identity. So just tap on OK. So if you will be doing normal factory reset, then you will have like this where you can skip this particular option. But as this is a hard reset, so here you have to prove your identity that you are a legit person who performed this part. That's why it is asking us to connect to either mobile network or Wi-Fi. So let me connect to my Wi-Fi connection and we'll proceed further. So finally we have been connected to the Wi-Fi connection. So let me tap on next button. Now it will check for like Google Play services related updates. So if any update will be pending, that will be downloaded here and installed. Like I have told you earlier that you will be needing to enter password or PIN whatsoever you have set up on your phone. Aside to that, if that's not available at your side, then you have to use your Google account. So I'm just going to enter my PIN. If it will be I would say legit, then it will allow me to proceed further, otherwise it will show me an error. So successfully I'm able to proceed further. So for now I'm just going to skip the Google account setup process, because I'm already able to show my, or I would say prove my identity that I am a legit person who performed this hard reset. So let's complete this particular phone setup process ASAP so that we can wrap up this video. So I'm just going to unselect all these by default setup apps and so on. So adding the finishing touch, now it will be prompting us to set up the Samsung account. So if you will be connected to Wi-Fi, then it will show you connect recommended apps, otherwise it will not. So this is the final step. Again, I'm going to skip. If you want, you can set up it. So now it will do very last check, and afterward it will show us like you have to press on OK, and afterward the last step would be to press done, and we will be moved to the home screen. So we have successfully completed the hard reset process, which is equivalent to the factory data reset, except that it has been performed in stock recovery mode. So your phone will be presented with all the default layout which has been provided with One UI Core 2.0 for Galaxy J8. So this was all from my side related to how to do hard reset on Galaxy J8, or I would say Galaxy J8 Infinity. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.